Hi guys, so this is just some top 10 mistakes to avoid on your first allotment. We're all new, but this is what I've learned along the way. It's really important to do your research and watch lots of YouTube videos and read as much as possible to skill yourself up and see what other people are doing. You never know, you might decide to do something you never thought about. You might learn something that you hadn't even thought about, a different way of doing things. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is definitely plan and be prepared for what you need to do. You need to know what grows when in your area. You need to know what you can put stuff in, how much room you've got, what you can grow, etc. That's number 2. Number 3 is make sure you use as many free tricks as possible. I've got a video of that, so have a look at those videos that I've done. But save yourself money. A lot of this can be done as freely as possible with just a bit of planning and a bit of thinking. Even if you haven't got an allotment, in a small garden, patio, whatever you've got, use the free tips. Number 4, be patient. Things will grow. Let them happen. Let them do it their way. If they don't grow, think about why and learn and move on. Maybe there was too much water, not enough water, too hot, too cold. These are all the things that can cause problems, pests, and put practices in place for future. Number 5, be prepared for hard work to get itself started and allow yourself time. Don't worry if it doesn't look like an Instagram or a Pinterest allotment straight away. It's going to take time and you will get there. Just give yourself time and learn and, be proud. Look, take photos and look back. That's one of my key tips. Number 6, I think I am. Make sure things are secure. I've had polytunnels, greenhouses blow away. They need to be secure. Or try and use things that are maybe a little bit more sturdy. But my polytunnel is doing great now. So that's number 6. Number 7. Make sure your raised beds are the right size for what you are growing, because you want to make sure your plants have got enough space to grow and become amazing sizes. Number 9, don't be afraid to learn and make mistakes. Give it a go. What's the worst that can happen? Number 9, make sure you keep your weeds under control, because these become a painful job if you don't. So however you want to do it, cardboard, weed matting, wood chip, etc., just make sure you've got things in place, and then your allotment becomes easy. And number 10, really enjoy it. That is my tip. Really enjoy what you're doing, so you want to go there on a weekly basis or a daily basis or an hourly basis. Just enjoy the journey. Lots of love, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, comment for more videos like this.